All right, guys, this is my review of the SofaBaton um, universal remote, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. So basically, what you do is on the manual, you just hold that up, and then you go to the App Store, download the app. So we've got it on there. That's the remote right there. And then what we want to do is we want to get it to work for this TV that I have here, which is a Samsung. So we're going to type in Samsung. Then we're going to get the model number of the TV, which is on the original remote here. Excuse me. So I'm going to type that in. I'm going to type that in, all right? BN59 dash 01315J. And we're going to search there. All right. And we're going to select TV. All right. So then what it wants us to do is it wants us to pair this with the TV. So it's going to run us through some different options of trying to get this to work for the television. All right. So we'll try it with number one. Number one does not work. So we're going to select no. Now we're going to try number two, attempt two. Oh, there we go. We got it. All right. So what that means, I turn that back off. There's a tip for everyone. Don't watch the news, guys. It'll ruin your life. But we can select yes because it did work. And so what that means is this remote with this TV is already set up. It's done. It's uploading right now. All right, guys. So what you can see now is it powers. It powers and it actually runs through everything we want it to run through. And that's how it works, guys. So you can do that for, let me turn that off. All right. So you can do that for pretty much anything you have, from a Apple TV to one of those, the Fire TVs, Roku, any other remotes that you have. It's going to work effortlessly for that. And all you do is just download that app, either for Android or for Apple. This thing works for everything. Highly recommend.